Hello everyone, welcome to this series on famous heroines in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Hermione from his play The Winter's Tale. Introduction. Hermione, the Queen of Sicilia in William Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale, is a character of profound strength, grace, and dignity. Her journey through the play is marked by unjust accusations, suffering, and ultimate redemption, making her one of Shakespeare's most compelling and noble heroines. This video explores the various dimensions of Hermione's character, examining her virtues, resilience, relationships, and thematic significance, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Grace and dignity. From the outset, Hermione embodies grace and dignity even in the face of baseless accusations from her husband, King Leontes. Her demeanor and responses to the accusations reflect her inner strength and unwavering integrity. Despite the public humiliation and personal betrayal, Hermione maintains her composure and dignity. In Act 2, Scene 1, when Leontes accuses her of infidelity, Hermione responds with grace and claim, "Hermione, sir, you speak a language that I understand not. My life stands in the level of your dreams, which I lay down." Hermione's response highlights her dignity and her refusal to be provoked by the irrational behavior of Leontes. Innocence and virtue. Hermione's innocence and virtue are central to her character. Throughout the play, she is depicted as a paragon of fidelity and honor, unjustly accused of a crime she did not commit. Her unwavering faith in her own integrity and her steadfast refusal to admit to false charges underscore her moral strength. In Act 3, Scene 2, during her trial, Hermione eloquently defends her honor. Hermione, since what I am to say must be but that which contradicts my accusation, and the testimony on my part no other but what comes from myself, it shall scarce boot me to say not guilty. Mine integrity, being counted falsehood, shall, as I express it, be so received. Hermione's defense is a powerful testament to her integrity and the injustice of the accusations against her. Resilience and strength. Hermione's resilience in the face of adversity is one of her most admirable traits. Her ability to endure wrongful imprisonment, the loss of her son, and the separation from her newborn daughter demonstrates remarkable inner strength. Even when faced with extreme hardship, Hermione remains composed and steadfast. In Act 2, Scene 3, as she is led to prison, Hermione expresses her resilience and faith. Hermione, come on then, and give it to me, to the cradle, make a short night for me. This moment captures her unyielding spirit and determination to survive for the sake of her children. Forgiveness and redemption. The themes of forgiveness and redemption are central to Hermione's character arc. After being presumed dead for 16 years, Hermione's eventual reunion with Leontes is a powerful moment of forgiveness and reconciliation. Her capacity to forgive Leontes despite his grievous wrongs highlights her magnanimity and compassion. In Act 5, Scene 3, when Hermione is revealed to be alive, she forgives Leontes. Hermione, you gods, look down, and from your sacred vials pour your graces upon my daughter's head. Tell me, mine own, where hast thou been preserved? Where lived? How found thy father's court? For thou shalt hear that I, knowing by Paulina that the oracle gave hope thou wast in being, have preserved myself to see the issue. This act of forgiveness brings full circle Hermione's journey from suffering to redemption. Relationships. Hermione's relationships with other characters in the play are central to her development and the unfolding of the plot. Her bond with Leontes, initially one of mutual love and respect, is shattered by his jealousy and mistrust. Despite this, her love for him remains, ultimately allowing for their reconciliation. Her friendship with Paulina is another crucial relationship. Paulina serves as Hermione's staunch defender and protector, advocating for her innocence and caring for her during her long absence. Paulina's loyalty and bravery are instrumental in preserving Hermione and bringing about the play's resolution. In Act 2, Scene 3, Paulina fiercely defends Hermione to Leontes. Paulina: it is an heretic that makes the fire, not she which burns in it. This declaration underscores the deep bond between Hermione and Paulina's unwavering support. Thematic significance. Hermione's character embodies several key themes in The Winter's Tale, including justice, redemption, and the power of enduring love. Her story highlights the destructive nature of jealousy and the potential for redemption through forgiveness and reconciliation. Hermione's unwavering integrity and ultimate forgiveness serve as moral touchstones within the play. Conclusion. Hermione is a character of remarkable strength, grace, and dignity. Her journey through The Winter's Tale, from wrongful accusation and suffering to forgiveness and redemption, underscores her profound moral integrity and resilience. Through her relationships and actions, Hermione embodies themes of justice, redemption, and the enduring power of love. Her legacy as a character who navigates extreme adversity with unwavering dignity and compassion continues to resonate with audiences, cementing her place as one of Shakespeare's most noble and memorable heroines. So this was the discussion on the character of Hermione from Shakespeare's play The Winter's Tale. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.